Is it possible to recover deleted iPhone notifications?
Hey there, welcome to today's video. In this episode, we'll be discussing an interesting question. Is it possible to recover deleted iPhone notifications? We all know that notifications play a crucial role in keeping us updated and informed. But what happens if we accidentally delete an important notification? Can we retrieve it? Let's find out.
Understanding iPhone notifications.
To understand whether we can recover deleted iPhone notifications, it's important to first understand how notifications work on iOS devices. Notifications are temporary messages displayed on the lock screen or in the notification center. They provide a quick overview of information from apps, such as messages, emails, social media updates, and more.
Retrieving recent notifications.
The good news is that recent notifications can often be retrieved on an iPhone. Here's how you can do it. 1. Start by unlocking your iPhone and going to the lock screen or the notification center. 2. Swipe down from the top of the screen to access the notification center. 3. Scroll up to view older notifications that may have been dismissed. 4. If you see a deleted notification, simply tap on it to open the corresponding app or take appropriate action.
Recovering deleted notifications from app settings.
In some cases, you can recover deleted notifications from within the settings of specific apps. Here's what you can try. 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. 2. Scroll down and look for the app associated with the deleted notification. 3. Tap on the app settings and explore any available notification-related options. 4. Some apps provide a Notification History or Recent Notifications section where you might find deleted notifications.
Retrieving notifications from iCloud backup.
If you have an iCloud backup, you may be able to recover deleted notifications by restoring your iPhone. Here's how. 1. Ensure you have an iCloud backup that includes the notifications you want to recover. 2. Go to the Settings app on your iPhone. 3. Tap on your Apple ID at the top of the screen. 4. Select iCloud and then choose iCloud Backup. 5. Make sure the iCloud Backup toggle is enabled. 6. Tap on Backup Now to create a current backup if necessary. 7. After the backup is complete, go to Settings again. 8. Select General, then Reset, and finally, erase all content and settings. 9. Follow the on-screen instructions to erase your device. 10. During the setup process, choose Restore from iCloud Backup and select the most recent backup that contains the notifications you want to recover. And there you have it, folks. While recent notifications can easily be retrieved from the lock screen or notification center, recovering deleted iPhone notifications is not always possible. However, you can try retrieving them from app settings or through restoring your device from an iCloud backup if one is available. Remember, it's important to regularly back up your iPhone to ensure you have the best chance of recovering any lost data. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.